Hi students, we're going to talk about two more angle relationships today. The first of those is complementary angles. This is a type of adjacent angle because they are adjacent, they're next door to each other. It's called complementary angles. Complementary angles are when the sum of these two angles measures 90 degrees. So as you can see down here, 30 plus 60, that's 90. In this picture, angle 1 and angle 2 are adjacent with a common side, and it forms this 90-degree angle, which is indicated by this red square right here. The other type is supplementary angles. Supplementary angles, again, are adjacent angles, but they have a sum of 180 degrees. 135 plus 45 is 180. In this picture, you can see that angle 3 and angle 4 form this 180-degree angle down here called a straight angle, or a straight line. But angle 3 and angle 4 being adjacent to each other form this straight line. The way that I like to remember complementary is that it starts with the word complement, and you would receive compliments if you received a 90% on a test or a quiz. So I just associate complement with 90. With supplementary, I associate that with this straight angle down here that it forms, and straight and supplementary both start with S. Just one way that I remember them. Now we're going to identify complementary and supplementary. We're also going to find values of X. And number 1, these are complementary because we see that they form a 90-degree angle. So that tells us our equation is this angle plus this angle equals 90. So 4x plus 36 equals 90, and then we solve that equation to find the value of x. Subtract 36, so 4x equals 90 minus 36 is 54. Divide both sides by 4. And I know this doesn't come out evenly because 54 divided by 4 fits into 54 13 whole times, which is 52 with 2/4 left over, so be 13 and a half. Number 2, we see that these two angles form a straight angle, which means they are supplementary. And that tells us that they add up to equal 180. So x plus the other x minus 4 angle equal 180. These parentheses are just showing us that these are grouped together to form one angle. We really don't need the parentheses in the equation. So now I can combine like terms. This is 2x minus 4 equals 180, and solve to find the value of x. 2x would be 184. Divide both sides by 2, and x would be 92 degrees. Let's look at 2 more. Again, let's first identify them. These two angles form a straight angle, so these are supplementary, which means they add up to equal 180. So 4x plus 5 plus the other angle equal 180. Again, the parentheses just there to show that this is one of the angles. Don't really need them in the equation. Now we combine like terms. 4x, 5 and 41 make 46. And we solve for x. Minus 46 on both sides. That's going to give me 4x equals 134. When I divide both sides by 4, I'm going to get x to equal, 4 goes into 134, 33 and a half times. And number 4, these two angles form a 90-degree angle, which means they are complementary, which means they add up to 90. So x plus this one equals 90. Again, can get rid of the parentheses, and then it's just a matter of solving for x. Combine like terms. 3x minus 3 equals 90. Add 3 to both sides. 3x would equal 93. Divide by 3, and x would equal 31. And I hope that this video helps you with complementary and supplementary angles.